this is Lei. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful side table. If you're interested, please keep watching. Let's get started. Firstly, I want to show you the materials I used to prepare the base. My 3-year-old is still drinking formula every night, so we have so many empty jars or containers at home. So I decided to use 3 of them to make the base for today's DIY table. The first step is to glue all 3 empty jars together. Please make sure you want to use strong adhesive. Otherwise, they could fall into parts later on. Since those empty jars are pretty light, so I decided to put a concrete stone in the bottom jar to give extra weight to the base. It worked pretty well. Next, I want to show you the little parts I got from Dollar Tree for St. Patrick's Day celebration. Look at this little pot. They look so cute to me. I decided to glue them on the surface of the jar to make the base look a little bit sophisticated. This is how the base looks. Then I took it in garage and spray painted it in gold color. I also used some craft mirrors to give the base a little bit more features. The last step is to put a glass top on the top of the base, and it's all done. Now let's check out the final product. This side table turns out very beautiful to me. I really like it. Feel free to let me know your thoughts on this DIY project. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.